Tired of hunting for your connected bank accounts in Wise? You know the feeling. You need to check which account is linked, or maybe you want to remove an old one, and suddenly you are clicking through menus, opening settings, searching everywhere. It should be simple, but somehow those bank accounts feel like they are playing hide and seek. I have been there, digging around for way too long. So here is exactly where they hide and how to get to them in just a few clicks. We will click through 3 simple menu items: your profile icon, then payment methods, and finally, connected bank accounts. That is it. 3 stops and you are there. So let us start. Open up your Wise account, whether that is on the website or the desktop version. Look up at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon. It might be your initials in a little circle, or maybe a small photo if you have added one. Click on that. And here's the thing. This is where most people get tripped up. They look for bank account settings under something obvious, like accounts or settings. But Wise puts your linked bank accounts under your personal profile area instead. I have tested this across multiple accounts, and it is always the same path. So once you click that profile icon, a drop-down menu appears. Now, do not click the first thing you see. Look for the option that says Payment Methods. It is usually somewhere near the middle of that drop-down list. Go ahead and click on Payment Methods. All right, so now the page changes, and you are looking at your Payment Methods screen. This is where Wise shows you all the different ways you can move money around. You might see your debit or credit cards listed here if you have added any. You might also see some other payment options. But what we care about is right below all of that. Scroll down just a little bit, and you will see a section that says Connected Bank Accounts. Now, pay attention to this one because the name is very specific. It says connected, not linked, not added, not saved. Connected bank accounts. So click on that. And there you go. Instantly, you can see every bank account you have ever connected to your Wise account. The account number, the bank name, everything is right there. This is the spot you have been hunting for. No more digging through menus or guessing where it might be. Now that you know exactly where this is, the next time you need to check a connected account, update one, or even remove an old one, you will get there in seconds. Start at your profile icon, go to Payment Methods, then click Connected Bank Accounts. It becomes muscle memory pretty quickly. And honestly, in my experience walking through this with people, the biggest relief is just knowing the name of that third option, Connected Bank Accounts. So many people skip right past it because they are looking for something labeled differently. But now you know. So give it a try the next time you are in Wise. You will find exactly what you need without the frustration.